Morning children, welcome to your physics class. Dear children, we are doing problems based on conservation of momentum. Last class also we have done a problem about the rifle, recoil velocity of rifles. Here also we are using the same principle, conservation of momentum only. First I will explain question, then you can understand what are the given data. Here are some data, it is hidden only. This we can collect from the question after reading, then only. So I will explain question first. A girl of mass 40 kg jumps onto a horizontal velocity of 5 meters second raised to minus 1 onto a stationary cart with frictionless wheels. Here girl was not at rest. Here according to question, girl is not at rest. Girl was moving. Cart stationary only. Girl was jumping onto the cart which was stationary. So cart is stationary only. But girl is not at rest, girl in motion only. So girl has initial velocity as 5 meters second raised to minus 1. But initial velocity of cart is 0 only. Girl's initial velocity 5 meters second raised to minus 1. But cart initial velocity is 0 only. The question only mentioned the stationary cart. In that we have to assume that initial velocity of the cart is 0. That is why I told some data is hidden only. You have to read and understand. Then only you can go for next step of the problem. Then, now after girl jumped onto the cart, both move with the same velocity. So cart velocity and girl velocity is same only because girl is on the cart. After jumped onto the cart, girl is on the cart. So they move with the same velocity. So cart velocity and girl velocity same only. That girl velocity here asked, so we can understand that girl is on the cart. So both have common velocity. Here for conservation of momentum we know there should not be any external unbalanced force. That's why it is mentioned. Assume that there is no external unbalanced force acting in the direction of cart moving. So we use conservation principle only here, conservation of momentum principle only here to solve this problem. So for that, first I explained the data what is we can collect from the question. So here we can understand that girl has initial velocity 5 meters second raised to minus 1. Cart stationary only. So initial velocity cart is 0 only. Girl's final velocity and cart final velocity same only. Mass of the girl 40 kg. Then cart mass only 3 kg. These are the data we are using for solving this problem. I hope everybody understand the question. So we are going for the step of problem. Given MA, mass of first object mentioned in the question I mark as MA, girl. So girl is the first object. So I mark as A as girl. You can write the M1 also. One girl means 2 cart. Here I used A and B because we learned the equation as MA plus MB UB equal to MA BA plus MB BB. That's why to avoid confusion I use A for girl. So MA means mass of the girl is 40 kg. Mass of the girl is 40 kg. Then what is given? Second object is cart. So MB cart. Once enough to mention, then after you have to understand A for girl, B for cart. Mass of the cart is 3 kg. As I said, initially girl has velocity according to question. So UA equal to, what is the velocity of girl mentioned in the question? 5 meters second raised to minus 1. UA equal to 5 meters second raised to minus 1. Then what is UB? UB cart velocity. Cart is stationary cart in the question I mentioned, I told previously. So UB 0 meters second raised to minus 1. Then now after girl jumped onto the cart, they move with the same velocity because girl is on the cart. So cart velocity and girl velocity same only because girl is on the cart and they move as common velocity. So final velocity are BA equal to DB. B question mark. This is asking to find what is girl's velocity. Girl's velocity is same only, cart velocity also same only. That is asked to find. So girl's velocity and cart velocity same only. So we can write VA equal to VB is equal to V. That is actually girl's velocity only, question mark. So from this we have to use the equation. What is the equation we are using? MA VA plus MB VB equal to MA UA plus MB UB. So this is equation we are using. Conservation momentum before interaction. Here interaction only we are using. Momentum before interaction of the girl and after interaction of the girl equal. Interaction, that's the interaction between cart and girl. So interaction between cart and girl after interaction. This is after interaction momentum. This is a total momentum before interaction. Both equal. So we use MA VA plus MB VB equal to MA UA plus MB UB. Upon which principle we are writing this equation? Conservation of momentum principle. What is conservation of momentum principle? Total momentum before interaction and total momentum after interaction are equal when no external unbalanced force acted upon the system. Here interaction between gear and cart we are considering. So I wrote this equation, then we are substituting as upon the equation. MA means 40 into 40 kg into VA V only. 40 into V plus MB means mass of the cart 3 into V equal to UA and UA what will be UA? UA is 5. Mass what is given on 40. So 40 into 5 plus MB what will be MB 3. But it is UB is 0. So 3 into 0. 40V plus 3V. 40V plus 3V equal to, this is what a 40 into 5, 200 plus 0, 3 into 0, 0 only. So we can write 200. Right hand side we will get 200. Left hand side we have 40V plus 3V. What is 40V plus 3V? 43V equal to 200. 43 what will be? 300. Here we have 43V equal to 200. And what is V? V equal to 200 by 43. 40V plus 3V equal to 200. 43V equal to 200. V equal to 200 by 43. When we divide up 200 by 43, we will get 4.65 meters second raised to minus 1. Meter second raised to minus 1. This is the velocity of the girl. So velocity of girl equal to 4.65 meters second raised to minus 1 after interaction. Can't also move with the same velocity only after interaction. Here, note down. Here we got positive answer. Some cases, while this conservation of momentum, when we do problems, we will get a negative answer also. But here we got a positive answer. Textbook also mentioned plus. Why plus shows that girl and cart move in the same direction. Girl and cart moves. They move. Girl and cart move the same direction. Since they move the same direction, we have answer positive. So, dear children, I hope similar problems you can see in your textbook. About the hockey stick, one problem is there. This with the picture it is shown. This steps, but I used this in another way only. You can see after seeing textbook. I used it in another manner only. I have done this problem. You can use which method which is easy for you. Both methods I will explain during Google class. So, dear children, we have one question mentioned in your textbook. A cart, bullock cart, when carrying, bullock cart or horse, bullock or horse, whatever will be animal. When they carry, how they use action reaction principle. This is Newton's third law. According to Newton's third law, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Then if action equal to reaction, how a cart is pulled by a horse? There is a question. When horse pulls the cart, it pushes its feet on the ground. When it is pressing with a certain high velocity, that is action. In turn, according to Newton's third law, there should be a reaction on the cart also. So, due to that reaction, here cart is pulled by horse. So, horse pushes his feet on the ground, that is action. Horse pushes his ground, that is action. Reaction, ground exerts equal magnitude of force on this horse, which in turn affected on the cart, so that cart moves forward. Horse can pull the cart on forward direction. So there we are using Newton's third law only. To every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. So when action equal to reaction, we can tell force pushes his feet on the ground, that is action. Due to reaction from the ground part, horse can pull the cart. So this is where we can explain that problem question. Thank you, children. The similar questions, as I said, you can find from textbook and work out. Thank you, children.